And today we're going to be doing the spicy chicken wing challenge, but they're from Zaxby's. And like this video if you want to see us do the ones from Buffalo Wild Wings, right?
Yeah, the Buffalo Wild Wings. I think they're the blazing hot.
Yeah, and these ones in Zaxby's, they're called the insane ones. So, yeah, so let's get ready. So let's take there's napkins.
Yeah, I'm gonna need the napkins. Put that right there.
No drink until they're dying, like, until they really get a heart attack.
Is it boneless or is it bone?
You gotta suck the bone.
Oh! That's bone. Oh, this.
But we can't eat the fries yet.
You just grab them because I don't think we're gonna be fighting for the wings. They way too hot. I don't think nobody fighting for the wings.
Okay, so you ready?
Not really.
Y'all ready? Okay. Okay,
How does it smell first? Describe how it looks. How does it smell?
it smells very bad.
It smells like death.
Heart attack. Smells like a heart attack.
Oh, my nose hurts.
Okay.
Los pollos más picosos.
Okay, so vamos a empezar.
Ladies first, you can have the first one.
Let me get a fry.
Hey, can we get a fry while we're eating the wings?
Yeah.
Wait, what
Nada
you
más con tu mano.
You got that one. Get that one.
Why don't you use your hands?
You're so big.
I don't like getting my hands dirty. That's
I don't like
a white
either.
person thing.
Ay, ponte tu papel aquí en tu chest. That's a white person.
I'm not that. I'm just.
Alright, come on.
Man, who's gonna count down?
1,
We got a fry right there.
2, 3, go! Go, non-stop.
Oh God. Oh God. I didn't even touch the wing. I was eating a fry.
Oh, baby. Oops.
You want the bread? You want the bread?
Jimmy, eat the bread.
I'm
You gotta eat the wing before.
I can't.
It's like a.
His lips are even chapped. Yeah,
Jimmy's on his second week.
I'm first. I'm about to.
Está bien picoso.
It's like.
This is like that soup.
It's like every time you get air, it gets even worse. Wing number 2.
Still one. That really worked. Can we get ranch?
I'm taking the toast. You know, I'm more of a boneless kind of guy. I don't like celery, but anything.
He's about to go to the gym. He's about to go to the gym after this, y'all.
I thought it was called asparagus.
No, this is celery.
Ow.
First chicken wing.
Okay.
Come on, Jimmy, second one.
Come on, Jimmy. Ooh.
Mom.
It hurts. Burn. What's that soup called?
I think I'm crying.
Ay.
Is it exactly like spicy soup. Okay, guys.
When it gets really hot, my nose starts running.
When it gets very hot to me, I lick my tongue with a napkin.
I wish I had more napkins.
Me too.
Then, yeah. No se quejen.
People eat this for fun?
Jacqueline! Tell me to see Jacqueline did.
Huh?
Jackie just got this the other day just to eat for dinner.
She did.
She did?
Yeah. She don't even know.
Is something wrong with her?
I don't
She
know.
was just eating like.
She was just eating
More
it.
like.
She's the one that ate the noodles like it was nothing, right?
Yes.
India mexicana guarachi. Okay, Jimmy got a new tattoo.
Yeah, you know how we do.
What does it mean? Like,
It's about to be my death if it ain't.
date of birth,
Ready
date
when you're ready for the water.
This is my grandma's, and this is my grandma's death.
Oh.
This is my mom's stepmom and my dad's mom. I'm gonna put mine right here in my chest though, because I'm about to die today.
Oh, yeah. Yo, está muerto. No pain, no gain. That looked like a lot of chicken.
I'm good for
You guys up! One more fire!
Water, water.
I win.
You need two.
I ate two, and I'm crying.
Two of bread and fries.
Hit that garlic bread.
I'm still eating another one. Come on.
What?
You gotta eat another one. You gotta be time with Jimmy.
Jimmy beating you and
I don't feel good. It's hot. But you know what?
Cindy's about to
I'm
eat
going in
that
for one more. Or did you want one?
last. Cindy's about to eat
No,
one.
no.
I'm just gonna get one more.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Woo! You gotta suck it first.
Come on, now you try the other one.
You gotta lick it first.
Heck no, that's
No,
awesome.
yes. You swallowing it.
Lick it,
Just lick it. I mean. Two licks. Two licks.
Heck no, that sauce is
Two
so-
licks.
This sauce is deadly.
Come on, 2 licks. Come on, do it for YouTube. Come on now. 2 licks, 2 licks. And
Alright, two.
we gotta
Ooh, this is saucy. I don't know, man.
Go ahead.
But licks like this though.
Nah.
I mean. Come on, man. Everybody looking at you. Shout out to Jimmy, y'all. Go follow him. Woo woo. He about to suck the ranch off.
Guys, my mouth is burning. Like my lips are about to turn red.
Are my lips red?
Yeah.
Like how red?
Yeah, your mustache red too.
I can't breathe in my nose.
I can only breathe through my mouth.
Oi. Oi.
Ooh.
So when's your next video going up, Jimmy?
I still have to upload my birthday.
When was your birthday?
Last week.
Happy late birthday.
Thank you. You know,
Already
just
comment
turned,
below. Happy birthday, Jimmy.
you know, I just turned 22
Dang.
When's your birthday?
last week. But you know, it's alright.
You going to Salvador last week?
Yeah. You know, I'm going to Salvador. So if any of my fans out there want to meet up,
You gotta talk Spanish. Salvador talk Spanish.
You gotta process it.
todos de mis fanáticos en El Salvador. Voy a estar en El Salvador el 31 de marzo hasta el 8 de abril. If quieren conocerme, slide in my DMs.
¿Qué es DMs? Por si no saben.
Instagram,
Es Instagram.
Twitter.
El Facebook, pues el book, el Face.
No, Facebook is only for my friends, not my fans.
Okay. So how do you feel?
I feel like I died.
Okay, you got a little bit of liquid right here.
Yeah, I feel it's burning through my skin.
No, you gotta lick it.
Mm-mm.
Okay, Nate, how you feel?
Eating asparagus.
That's celery.
Don't care.
I can tell.
She's never ate celery in her life. No.
You like it?
Nope.
She's trying to lose the pounds.
No.
She just gave.
I just broke it. I just look at the ranch off of it.
I think 3's it for me. I don't think I got no more.
Show how saucy the sauce is.
They drowned those suckers.
Los pollos más picosos.
They're Zaxby's. This is not a brought to you video about Zaxby's, but if Zaxby's wants to sponsor us, we're more than likely to take the sponsorship.
Amen on that.
And if Walmart wants to sponsor us with some more water bottles, out.
Get ready.
Yep, please. I'm gonna drink this whole thing. You ready?
Uy, si toma agua. Ay, el otro.
Do the ends.
My nose is
Stay, subscribe.
Okay, look at his lip.
Jimmy.
No. I'm a little hurt.
But he ate 3, man. He won me.
It better be.
It is. He put a chapstick on.
What is that, Barbie?
No, it's
I need more water. Dang, it's outside!
No, it's in the car. We just went to go buy some new ones. Okay, guys, so make sure to subscribe to Jimmy's channel ImTheGOAT. And I'll put his channel in the description down below. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and like and go visit his channel as well. Subscribe. I was burped. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh, and see you in the next video. Gracias por mirar mis videos y también para el channel de Jimmy para suscribir a su canal y se miran en otro video. Bye.
Yeah, what she said. Bye. Bye, Isaac.
Like I hear your laughter coming waves across the shore.